Guys are able to see my screen? Online people. Thank you. We discussed quick actions and global actions, right? Yesterday. I uploaded the document up to sales, right? Sales Cloud. Ravan, if you are not getting the access, if you are reminder me, I didn't get anything. Okay, you need to contact to the admin team. Those people will send the what about that your mail. Otherwise, I will not do anything. Okay. So, okay, guys. Guys, if you are not getting what about that mail doc access, please ping me here. I will send to them. Then those people will validate that. Okay, I don't have any what about that access without their approval. Okay, you can ask to the Sham sir. I already sent the what about the number. Okay. Regarding videos, I don't have access. Those people only, even me also, I don't have access. Those are the people gave the access. Here we are, yeah. So I told you yesterday. Yeah. So actions. Actions are two types. What are those? The first one is global actions and second one is quick actions. What is the difference? Yeah, guys, you can send me your email. Meanwhile, you can pass to here. I will again ask to them. Okay, but meanwhile you can directly contact to Shyam sir. Okay, yeah. So actions, global actions, quick actions. What is the difference between global actions and quick actions? Global action means which is defined by the Salesforce people. That means it is a standard action. So those actions are, what about that? One action will be shared across multiple objects. Okay, whenever you are changing anything, that will be impact to the all the, what about that, objects, either standard or custom. So those are called global actions. But if you want to modify any action respective of particular object, at that time we need to go for quick action. So quick action is belongs to particular object. Understand? So that is the only difference. Okay, yeah. Next, okay, next one is, for example, see guys, hospital is there, Apollo hospital. This is the, what about that, this is the record, right? So my requirement is here, I need to create my own custom button here. If you click on that, go to the Apollo hospital site, the website. Okay, so that means these buttons are, I am not created, Salesforce created. So that's the reason these are the standard buttons. Now I need to create custom buttons. Understand how to create a custom button? Same guys, view fields, where is that? Already button action, see, actions are done. Now buttons, this is the new action. Now new button or links. First of all, we need to understand the terminology here guys. Okay, see, these buttons are available on the page detail, main page, right? Record page. So this is called detailed page buttons. I will tell you, assuming that this is our page. Okay, the terminology is important, the concept is very simple. So this is the main page, so main record, assuming that. Within that there is some buttons are there, any buttons. These buttons belongs to this detail page, right? Either account or patient or doctor, something. So in that case, we called these buttons are, what is that? Detailed page button. The button types are detailed. Actually, it is standard button, but where it is there, it is on the detail page. See, this is the detail page of the hospital. In the hospital detail page record, the buttons are there. So that's the reason these buttons are called detail page buttons. In the below, this is the, what do you say? There is a terminology. What is that? I all told you. This is called, this section is called, anyone? Online people. What do you say? This page. No. What is that? List view is different. List view is in, no. No. Related list. I already told you, if you remember. Why? Because these patients are related to this hospital. So that's the reason this is called related list. This terminology is very, very important. So here multiple records are there in this section. So this is the related list. So here some buttons are there. See, this button. These buttons are called list view buttons. Understand? List view buttons. So now all buttons are standard or custom. That is a different story. But based on the place where it is there, So the button will be there on the detail page. Then that button is called detail page button. That button is there in the related list. In that case, it is a list view button. Understand? Now, for example, here, see, created by, this is one link. If you click on that, it is going to somewhere. Right? So this is the link. This link is available on the detail page button. Sorry, detail page. So that's the reason it is a detail page link. Understand? So one more word is called, the link is there in the detail page. Any link that is called what is that? Detail page link. Okay? మొత్తం ఉన్నాయి అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి గ్రూప్లో చెప్తాను ఆల్రెడీ. డీటెయిల్ పేజ్ లింక్. Okay? So these are the types, guys. Buttons. Buttons are already, if the Salesforce people are provided, then it is a standard button. If we are created, it is a custom button. But based on the place where it is there, the button will be there on the main page. Then that means detail page button. The link is available on the detail page. Then that is called detail page link. The button is available in the related list. Then it is a list view button. Understand? The wording is important. Okay? So why? Because in the real time, hey, can you create the list view button? At the time, don't be confused. List view button means in the related list, on the top of it, we need to create one button. This is the terminology, guys. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Okay? Now, okay, guys. Next. Now we know what about that buttons and links. Come to here. See, guys, here new button or link. Either button or link. But we are creating. So custom buttons are custom links. Click on that. What is the button? My requirement is I need to create one button on the page. Okay, detail page. So that means I need to create the detail page button. Right? Here I required. If you click on that, it is going to the Apollo website. Okay, how? See here, detail page link, detail page display type, where it is displayed. Buttons are, see, detail page link. If you want to create a page link, so this is the option. If you want to create the detail page button, that means on the top, this is the option. If you want to create the related list button, this is the option. Understand? So these are the three types of the things we are already discussed. Understand? Now, what is the button name? For example, go to site. Okay? Now, this is the button name. Go to site is a button name. This is the API name. So which one you required? Here we require the button. Which button? Detail page button. Click on that. Okay. Now, if you click the button, what should happen? What is the action you need to perform? We need to go to some Apollo hospital. So here, see, behavior. Display that site is you need to display in the new window, or you need to display in the existing window. That means if you click on that, if you click on the button, this window will be replaced with the site. Understand? Or what about the first option? Display in a new window. That means it is displaying the new pop-up something. And third option, display in existing window without sidebar. Sidebar means this one. The side there is a one is coming, right? So first, second one is with sidebar. Third one is without sidebar. What is the fourth one? display existing window without sidebar or header. That means plain site will be visible, but within the same page, same tab. These are the options. The fourth option is deprecated, execute JavaScript. Deprecated means that word is important. Deprecated means that feature is not, it is there, but should not use. Why? Because we are all, this is around like before Christ. Okay. At that time, we are using some scripting and everything for moving some logic, guys, working with some logic. Now we are migrating from Classic to Lightning actually. Lightning, the native JavaScript will not work. For example, if you click on this, see here, JavaScript custom button may be reduce application security and block compatibilities with Lightning experience. Understand? If you are using the, what about that? JavaScript option, what happened? So that will not work in the Lightning experience. But why those people are provided? Why? Because still so many projects are not migrating to Lightning. It's the old project. Those people are still working. So that's the reason this option is still available. Maybe in future, these people are, what about that? Deleted. Okay, that is called deprecated. Okay, deprecated means if you are had that word deprecated means that functionality will not work. Understand? So now guys, for example, I required here, what is that? Display in existing window with sidebar. But for example, first of all, see the Apollo. Apollo Hospital. This is the site, right? Apollo Hospital site is this. This is the site. So now we need to use click on the button, we need to open this site. Understand? So copy that URL. See what is the behavior? Display in existing window. That means if you click on the button, this page will be replaced with the Apollo Hospital. That's what the behavior was. Understand? Now guys, see URL, content source. Content source is URL. Okay. Now check that whether the syntax is correct or not. Okay. Correct. Save it. What do you say? See, we are creating go to site button. What is the button type? Detail page button. Detail page button means it is available in this section, in the detail page. If you click on that, it is, what about that? Open the Apollo Pharmacy site within the same page, same tab. That is the behavior. Clear? Now see guys, how to add the button. Again, same story. What is that? Edit layout. So now see guys, button, see, go to site, drag it. See, whenever you drag it, there is some green color is coming. That means you need to place here. Click on that. Now button is coming, but it is our custom button. Okay. So custom detail page button. If you click on that, what is the behavior? The same page will be replaced with the Apollo Pharmacy. But we'll see what happened. What happened, guys? It should not open. It should not open. Why? Any guess? Why it should not open? Why? Because, see guys, Apollo Pharmacy, this is the site, right? This site is created in some different technology, maybe Java, .NET or something. We are in the Salesforce. Okay, two different platforms. So we are in our code, as a developer, in the Salesforce code, we are embedded to the Java. For example, Apollo is a Java. Okay, in the Salesforce code, we are embedded to the Java code. So that is called cross-domain technology. What is that? Cross-domain. So we are embedded our Java into Salesforce. So in that case, there is some security issues are coming. Security means, for example, the site is assuming that this is a okay, this is a good. For example, some whatever trust without trusting sites will be available. So that for example, see what about that in the Facebook or WhatsApp, we are getting some links. If you click on that, I all told you. If you click on that, what happened internally? There is some .exe file will be installed. That file is capture your all the activities. Understand? So that is called hacking. Okay. So same way, for example, Apollo Pharmacy, we don't know which technology these people are designed. If it is Salesforce, that is fine. But it is not Salesforce, right? We are embedded other technology into our Salesforce. So that is called, it is talking to two, whatever, we are embedded two technologies. That is called cross-domain tech. That is called cross-domain URLs. What is that? Cross-domain URLs. If you see here, guys, this is the subject, okay? Not here actually. That is called cross-domain. Whenever some other technologies come to here, okay, our Salesforce first block the site. Why? Because Salesforce point of view, that site is not trusted. Understand? So that's the reason Salesforce block the third-party site. Third-party site. I required that site. No. I want to, what about that? Open the site in the Salesforce. Then, guys, this is the, what about that? High level. If possible, we are not noted somewhere. If possible, you can note down. Okay. This is a different concept. So then the first thing is what we will do. So first thing is which site you need to add in your Salesforce. That site, there is an option called setup cross-domain technologies. Okay, click on that. Security control. Here, allow origin list. So if it is not Salesforce, you can allow. Add that. Save it. But it should not work. It is a developer operation, right? So that should not work, but this is the approach. So now the question was why we are using CORS. Okay, CORS is a concept. Okay, one option. If you are allowing the third-party sites in your Salesforce, so that third-party domain, that www.apollopharmacy.in something, Amazon, www.http, www.amazon.in, Flipkart. That domain you need to add here. Then that means we are forcing set to the Salesforce. Hey Salesforce, you need to allow this option. Okay, this option, but it should not work. That is a different story. But why internet is very slow? Guys, are you able to hear my voice? Online people? Now, guys? Okay, thank you. So see guys, see it is saved or not. Again, go to the cards. Check that we are already added. Okay, that means 1 second. So guys, now are you able to hear my voice? Online people. Okay. Okay guys, thank you. So we are in the cards is an option. This is the interview question. Okay. If possible, note down in somewhere. Whenever I say that it is an interview question, something you know you need to note down in somewhere, guys. Okay. Yeah. So now, if you want to allow third-party sites in your Salesforce, we have option called COTS, cross-domain technology. So in that, you need to add the domain. What is the domain here? www.apollopharmacy.in. You need to add it. That means you are forcefully said that, what is that? Hey, Salesforce, allow this origin. What is the origin? Apollo Pharmacy site. But still it is blocked. Why? Because then after that you need to raise the ticket, that means case, to the Salesforce. Then Salesforce people warn you first. Why? Because hey people, you are using third-party site. If any security related issues are coming, we are not responsible. Why? Because we are already warned you. If you are using third-party sites, maybe some data will be misused or something will be happen. If you are using the Salesforce sites, it is fine, it is okay. But if you are using the third-party sites, whenever you are using third-party sites, we are not responsible. Those people are warned you. Still, okay, the third-party site also same like Apollo people. Those people are said, yeah, no problem. We are the responsible. In that case, in their end, Salesforce and those people are enabled forcefully. These are the 2 steps required while you are allowing any third-party site to your Salesforce. Clear? The first thing is site. What about that? The display in your Salesforce, that site domain add into the COTS. COTS means cross-domain technology. Second thing is raise the case to the Salesforce. But in the developer edition, it is not possible. In the real edition, that means in the sandbox, we have option called here help something. Okay, if you click on that, it is asking the raise the case. Whenever you are creating the case, then those people are contact you and come to the picture and discuss with them. Those people are tell that their concerns. If you are allowing that there is some security issues or if you are responsible, then those people are allowing for only your org, not entire Salesforce orgs. Understand? So this is the blocker, guys. This is the very important question. Understand? This is the subject. Okay. Now here it is not possible, guys. Okay. Shravan, can you please stop sometime? I'm already working. I'm already tell something, right? Why are you disturbing so much time? In the end of the session, I will ask you, do you have any questions? It is very disturbing for me. Not only you, I will ask you end of the session. If you have any question, ask me. Don't time some. Yeah. So this is the option, guys. Okay. Then what we will do? So now. So that's the reason in the button level it should not work. Understand? Now go to our button. Edit. Same button, same link. What I will do? See guys, if you click on that within the same under same domain, what is that? This is the Salesforce.com. Under same Salesforce.com domain, we are displaying the Apollo Pharmacy domain. So that's the reason it is blocked. Now what I will do, out of the Salesforce, that means out of the Salesforce means not on the same domain. In the different domain, I need to display in the separate window. It is not impact to the Salesforce. That means it is a pop-up. So now see, new window. New window means it is not replacing the existing window. Existing window same, but one more window is coming. This is Salesforce, that is the Apollo Forms. So there is no impact. Now see. It's coming. Why? This is the different window. See, Apollo Pharmacy.in. It is not under Salesforce. Understand? That means these two domains are not interacted. This is the Salesforce is a separate domain. That is our website. If you click on that, one more window is open. Within the window, whatever the page you want, you are displayed. So this is not impact to our side. Understand? So like that, this is the only possibility. But still, this is the best approach. Why? Because there is no harm. Understand? So this is the option, guys. Now see. This is the. But I don't want to see the back end screen. I don't want to see this much of pop-up. I want to, what about the reduce the size of the window? Then what we will do? Go to the bottom. See here, window open properties. Width in pixels. Height in pixels. For example, I am using 300. Here also 300. That means 300 pixel of the width. Now window position, no preference, top left side. That means the corner side or full screen. I require top left. That means this side. Next, remaining don't require save. Now window size is 300 into 300. Go to window open properties and add the size of the window. Now come to here. Reload it. 300 into 300. Like that, you need to adjust the window. 300 into 300 is not suitable for us. Now what do you say? Then go to double. Double means 600. Width is 600. This one is 400. Height is 400, like that. We'll see. Like this. You need to increase that, what about that size, whatever you want. Okay, this is the button guide, detail page button. Same thing, detail page link. How to create the link? Same, go to the where is that? See here, new button and link. For example, any, what about that? Banking website. For example, billing. Okay, billing, you want to go to the HDFC net banking. Assuming that. So, billing. Assuming that. This is not good, but I'm just adding the link. Billing. What is that? Detail page link. That means within the page, wherever you want, you need to add the link, billing link. So billing. Display new window. Why? If it is an existing window, it should not work. Why? The billing is a HDFC, is a third party. Third party will not replace with the Salesforce. So that's the reason. What is the site? HDFC net banking. This is the site. Okay. Now this is the new window. display this. Check syntax. Correct. Send. What is this? This is not a button. This is the link. Again, window properties are there. Okay, click on that. What about that? 600 into 400 or 500, anything is fine. 500, no preference, send. Now this link you need to add the detail page. How? Go to here, edit layout. Where is that? Buttons, huh? See? Custom links. Building isn't there. We just created. So that is come under custom links. Where do you want? I want this building here. See, custom links, there is a section. Add here. Understand? Whenever you drag, already here there is some section is highlighted green. Then you can drag it. Now save it. Where is that? Custom link building. That's it. Understand? So simple guys, we are talking to other sites, other technology, whatever it may be. If client already having some existing sites, that guy again no need to invest to that sites to the Salesforce. So that's the reason we are embedded those sites in our Salesforce like this. Understand? So this is the link. What about the last one? What about last one, guys? What is that? List button. List button belongs to I need one button here in the related list. But here small confusion, guys. See, first here in the list view buttons, understand where do you need that button? Where do you need? On patient. On patient we require the button, right? That means in the hospital you are not creating the list view button. In the patient you are creating the list view button. Why? Wherever you are using the patient as a list view, then that button is available. Understand? So here related list is patient. Then go to the patient object, create the list view button. Then it is available here. That is the only confusion here. It is not a confusion, simple. If you want to create the button on the hospital, or if you want to create the link on the hospital, we are go to the hospital and create the button and link. Same like if you want to add the button to the patient, what is that? Go to the patient, create the which button? List view button. So first of all, identify which object, on the top of which object you need to create the button or link. So now I need to add the button on the patient. So go to the patient. In the patient, where is that? In the patient, I don't want to add the button in the patient detail page or patient detail link. I want to add the list view button. So that's the reason. What is that? The patient related. What is that, guys? Anything? Patient related any site. Diagnosis something. Sorry? I didn't get. Nutrition site. Nutrition site, huh? Okay. Tell me, any nutrition site? Use some spelling mistake. These are the doctors. The website is there. For example, this is the site I need to add. Only domain or anything is fine. Now go to the patient. What is that? Go to site something. Again same button. What is that? Now list view. Why? We are using this button in the list view page, not detail page. Again same. New window. See here. There is no new window. Here the problem here is, again I just open. We'll see what happens. Check syntax. Okay. Better. I'm not using this. So here, right? If you click on that, who opened this hospital record? Admin, no. What about the admin or senior managers? Those people are open that. So whenever the guy opened, here the guy required all the doctors. All the doctors also, that guy required all the doctors list. Understand? So all the doctor list means, what is the URL? This is the URL. This is the URL of all the doctors. Now what I will do? Copy it. So here in the patients, what is that? Not go to site. All doctors. I need all the doctors. Okay. Now list view URL. Display an existing window without with sidebar. Okay, we'll see. We'll try this. So this is the, what is that? URL. Save it. This is done. But now this is the list view button. So list view means wherever patient you are using as a related list, then only that button is available. So where do you use that the patient is a related list? In the doctor. In the doctor, patient is related list. Again, the hospital also. Where is the hospital? In the hospital also, patient is a related list. See, this is the hospital, patient is related list. This is the doctor, patient is related list. Now where do you use? For example, I required in the hospital level. See now, edit layout. Where is that? You need to add the button here. If you see the buttons, these are the buttons, not list view buttons. These are the buttons. These buttons belongs to which record? Hospital. But we required patient related buttons. So now here, settings, columns, buttons. See, all doctor button is available here. Understand? This is the only different navigation. Add it. Okay. Save it. New patients. All doctors. So this is hospital. See? But this is sidebar. This is also sidebar. See, this is the sidebar. Two sidebars, two headers are coming. That means in this page we don't require sidebars. Right? Only one sidebar, one heading is enough. So then what I will do? Go to the buttons. Where is the button? Not this. This is the button. Now you need to select what is the option. Display in existing window with sidebar. Display existing window without sidebar or header. Both. We don't require sidebar and header. That's it. Understand? So again go back. Here it is coming. For example, here we are modified. Where? In the hospital related list we modified. What about doctor? You see? Here that button is not available. Why? In this page layout related list we are not added. Understand? We are added. Yes, it is possible. Sir, can we create both buttons like available? Yes, it is possible. Okay. So this is the one, guys. Now buttons are done, links are done, list view buttons are done. I already explained this, guys. If you remember in the starting classes, see, these all are small concepts, guys. These are admin. No need to concept much actually. Okay. So if you see here, account. I don't require account name as account. I require to change this name. What is that? The label I want to change. What is the option, guys? We have option called the standard one. If you want to change, what is that? Rename is the option. Rename tabs and labels. Which standard one? This is the standard one. If you want to change the tab name, custom, we are easily change it. But in the standard, we don't have, right? So in that case, we have option rename tabs and labels. So here, which one you want to change? For example, contacts. In the contacts, I need to change persons. Only, what is that? Label, not API names. Understand? So where is the contact? This is the contact. So not contacts. Edit it. See, singular. Tab name contacts, we are changing to person. Person. Persons. We are changing contacts to person. Now see, person. Within the person, see, only the label is changed. Internally, API name is a contact. Okay. Now, for example, see, if you open any form, contact owner, not contact owner. We require person owner, right? And again, first name, last name, any contact thing is there. Any contact related? No. Okay. So here, I don't require contact owner. I required instead of contact replace with the person. That means, what about the field labels also we need to change it. How? Again, same option. Which object? Contact, right? Go to, what is the option? Setup. What is the option? Rename. Go to the object. See here, reset. If you click on that, all the labels are gone. Custom labels are. Okay. Now edit. That means if the reset button is available, means we are changing something. Now see here next. If you click on next, all the fields are coming here. Labels. Now which one you need to modify? See here, I don't require contact owner. I require person owner. Where is the contact owner here? Change to person owner. Contact owner. What is that? Person owner. Same like. That's it. Now. Save it. Here, save. Now see, person. If you click on new, person owner. We are changing the label using rename and tabs. Okay, this is the one more option, guys. These are all are small concepts. Okay, now this is done. Query names and okay, see guys, so this is the only one concept. So overall we discussed what about the actions. Okay, actions, buttons, links. Actions are two types: global actions, quick actions. Global actions means which is available for all the objects. Whenever you are modifying anything, it will impact all the people, all the objects. Quick action means it is specific to particular object. You need to create it. Okay, that is the quick action. Now buttons are total 3 types of option is available. Detail page button, detail page link, list view, list button. Okay, so detail page button means the button which is placed on the detail page record, and detail page link means the link which is available on the detail page record. List view button means the button which is available on the related list. That's it. Then here the drawback is the security concern is we have a behavior. If you see any button, object here. Sorry. What is the object for example? So we are already created some custom buttons. What is that? This is the button. Any button. In the hospital also. So here the behavior of the button is 4 types. If you click on the button, can you open the new window? If you click on the button, can you open the same existing window with sidebar? And the third option is if you click on the button, open the same open the the page within the same window with sidebar. That means with sidebar. Next one is header also. Okay, so the last one is JavaScript. We are not using. Why? Because we are already migrating to the Lightning. So at that time Lightning not supported native JavaScript. Okay, so this is the options. But here interview question is whenever you want to display third-party sites within the Salesforce, okay, it is not supported. Why? Because the concept is called cross-domain technology. What is that? If you are adding third-party site in the Salesforce for security reason it is blocked. Okay, if you want to override by forcefully, we have 2 steps. The first step is go to the cars. In the cars, you need to add the domain, and after that raise the ticket to the Salesforce people, Salesforce support people. Those people are enable that only that domain only in your org. Okay, this is the option. Why those people are blocked means because of it is a cross domain site, security concerns, those people are blocked. Understand? But without this, whatever that security or whatever way can we do in other way means open new window. In the new window, in that case, why there is no security means apart from remaining options, whatever that in the new window, our third-party site not open within the Salesforce. Outside of the Salesforce, in the separate window, it is open. So there is no issue. Understand? So that is the reason, guys. Now, I think again one more concept is too late. Okay, guys, tell me one by one questions, guys. Anybody? Force is an option. Generally, we called cross-domain technology. Okay, cross-domain URL something. Yeah. What about Shravan? Tell me. Under created. Yeah, you are ready. I know. So under created by field, edit, delete buttons are there, guys. All are able to see. So this question is one second, one by one. Under created by field, that means field section is there, right? Edit button, delete buttons are there. Can we hide those buttons? That means this guy question was, see guys. For example, here, if you open that, any record. So here, edit button there. Say for example, create button, save new, cancel. Same like after creation of the record, edit button, delete button is there. But if you see, these buttons are available on the top as well as bottom. That guy asking, can we hide? Already these buttons are there in the top. can we hide these buttons? No, it is not possible. Okay, why? Because I will tell you the reason, guys. Why the people are providing that option means, see, I already told you how many, what is the limit of the total fields, guys? 500. For example, one requirement is created 500 fields. That means whenever 500 fields are there, I am click on the new. I need to enter the 500 fields data. How to enter from top to bottom or bottom to top? Top to bottom. So I am entering this. Finally, I am scrolling in the bottom. Then finally the 500 field I will save it. Then again I want to go up. Understand? It is waste of time. So that's the reason in the footer also those people are providing the buttons. Understand? So it is not possible to hide the header or footer buttons. Okay, in the standard way. So if you want, you need to go to the UI. Understand, Sravan? Yeah. So next, what about second question? I'm facing an issue with login of Salesforce dev page. Dev page. If you are, did you get the access, Naresh? One by one, right? Naresh, did you get the access? Can you send me your username and password? Can you send me username and password? Okay. Meanwhile, I will go to other. Any example cross-site security functions in CRM? This will be applicable only credit card payment or bank. Any site, Jyoti. See, the next question is any example for. One second. Yeah. Any example for cross-site security function in CRM? This will be applicable only credit card payment or banking. Not only that, for example, the client is KFC. That guy wants one application in the Salesforce. Okay, in that case, that guy KFC having, for example, 20 features. That guy having 3 sites, assuming that 3 websites. So for budget reason, that guy only the first site will be converted into Salesforce. Only for budget purpose. So the remaining sites, some cases, those people are using in the Salesforce. Click on the button. At that time, we are using this course. Not only transactions or what, wherever, if you want to display any third-party website, in that case, we are using course. Understand, Jyoti? Okay, next. 1 second, this guy. Open your mail ID. Why? Because you are getting the verification code. Send me verification code, Nagesh. Naresh, send me verification code. I think in your mail ID. 782527825. Error, the Salesforce.com support team has been noted the problem. If you believe you the additional information that may be helpful to the support page, indicate the URL of the page, your error ID better. I think the problem here is you are adding some dev, something like that, right? The same. Where is the sales? There is no sales option there. First of all, we are unable to log in. maybe see guys, for example, if you are creating Gmail, okay, that Gmail is for example support at the rate of some xyz at gmail.com. Already sometimes I told you, sometimes those people are the Google people are not verified your user ID. Those people are allowing the creating the Gmail, but after 5 days or 2 days, 7 days or something, those people are internally verified that domain already allocating to someone or not. If it is allocating, then block our account. Same problem happened here as well, Naresh. So you can create one more org, okay, then use it. That is the only issue. Okay. Now the next one. Tabs like accounts, campaigns, offers, all those tabs are default created by the Salesforce team. So now we are over at the contact with person. Is it permanently showing or else once log up? No, it is permanent one, guys. So see here, we are changing contact to person. So in this org, always it is showing persons until you are again reset the labels. Understand? Karun, it is permanent one. Can you please help me how to add account tab to the sales app? They already there, right, Ramadevi? See guys, this is the sales. Within the sales already account is there. One second, where is Rama Devi? No, it is not there for me. Send me your credentials. Send me your credentials. If you have forgot password, how can I do? Rama Devi, if you have forgot the password, what I will do? Okay. What is the maximum number of tabs allowed? I think there is no limit, Hari. So there is no limit. Okay. Meanwhile, what about that? What is that? Yeah, this is done. If we rename the standard name, Salesforce application can be restricted to other applications as we like marketing. Yeah, but see guys, whenever one account is available, right? Whenever you are changing account to some XYZ, that will be impact to entire org. Whatever the applications are there, in all the applications, if you are using the account, that account will be modifying to XYZ. Okay? So it will be impact to all the applications within the same org, not other orgs. Now, Shravan, one more question. How do you show the total fields names in table UI? Go to the list view. Go to the list view. Where is that? I already explained you, right? Go to the document, man. First of all, you're asking all those same questions. See, you need to select all the fields in the table UI, guys. How? This is the list view. Edit it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is available. Now edit. Add those fields, all the fields to here. Add and save it. Okay. Yeah. Next. You need to create different list views, guys. Okay, inpatient list view is different, outpatient list view different. Inpatient having 5 fields, outpatient having 10 fields. You need to create like that. No, it is not there for me. Okay, what is the maximum? Okay, done. Yeah, I will. Ramadevi, is it sandbox or developer edition?
Can you send me the verification code, Rama Devi? Yes, Jyoti, page nation concept is available. This is the page nation concept, right? See, already page nation already there. If you see, if you go to that, go. See, guys, this is the page nation concept. Per page, I will tell you not now. See, 10 records are there. Next 10 records. Next 10 records. Last records. These two are the last records. Okay, Rama Devi. Okay, thank you. What is that? Tell me. So, where do you need the account tab? It is a common word, Kumar. Org means we are say that it is a Salesforce org. That's it. We have different environments, right? Sandbox and production and dev, something like that. I will explain you. Generally, we call it as a org. This is the account, right? Rama Devi, where you are. Just like other tabs, I want to account tab. This is the account tab, madam. See, you are already rename it. You are already my Geo account. You are already rename it. If you go to the rename, see, rename. This is the internally it is account. It is already there. You are just add the markup. Okay. Let's see here. Account. Account is a tab. You are changing to account to my Geo accounts. Oh, okay now. You are sending so many mails. Huh? Okay, no need to worry about that. Okay, guys. Any other questions? Yeah, thanks to. Wherever also for document I don't have access, I paid total fee. So what, Vaibhav, you are paying total fee. Just send me your mail IDs to what about send me my this is my mail ID, guys. You can send me. I will inform. I just forward your mail IDs to the Shyam sir. That's what my what about that one. Those people are, if those people are validate and again send to me, then only I will give the access. So you need to talk to them. You are the student, I am the faculty. Both are same here. I don't have any access, guys. Okay. You are paying the fee. I gave what about that? I'm getting the money. That's it. Okay. I'm also employee here. I'm not a organizer. Okay. You need to connect with them. What about? I already told. Vaibhav, I think your mail ID already there. I will check and let you know, Vaibhav. I will verify that, no problem. But meanwhile, you can send me your mail IDs, guys, who were not able to get the access. Any questions? Other tab, okay. Why login page? Okay. Guys, my sincere request is, okay, whenever I started the class, I have some concepts, guys. I need to complete that concept. Sometimes we are going somewhere. Why? Because that is a subject. Okay. So don't disturb, don't ping me in the middle of something. Whenever the class is completed, at that time I will give you at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can ask your questions. Okay. If sometimes I'm rushed with some other job, so that's the reason I will close the session. Then tomorrow I will ask again. Okay. You need to note down somewhere. I will ask. One day or at least 2 days once also, or 3 days once time also, I will ask you the ask the questions. So ask the request, you can tell me. Don't type here. Why? Because it is my focus will be disturbed. Because of one guy, the other people are impacted. Understand? Varun, okay. Okay, guys. Any questions? No. Thank you, guys. I will inform to Shyam, then we'll see. Thank you so much. Guys, one thing. Today actually my deployment is again postponed. Maybe tomorrow. So again I will inform you. Okay. Why? Because there is a lot of issues are coming yesterday night. So that's the reason it's postponed. So I will inform to Sham sir, guys. Okay. Tomorrow around like 5 o'clock, I will 5 or 6 o'clock I will inform to Sham. Okay. You can contact to them. Thank you. Sham is available anytime. If you are called to him, he will respond. No, mobile is available, right? Why he came to here? Okay, thank you guys.